Hi, I'm John Westney, Director of Business Operations for Centerville City Schools. Behind me you can see one of the many projects that are taking place here in the school district this summer. This project here at Stingley Elementary is an upgrade of our playground and is a project that was approved back in the spring to really make the playground more accessible for all of our students here at Stingley Elementary. And again, it's just one of the many projects that are taking place across the district this summer. Each year, the school district receives $4.2 million in permanent improvement funds. Money for this fund is used for buildings, renovations, ongoing maintenance, and any type of facility upgrades that need to take place. In addition, money is used to help support transportation and all facility needs across the district. About $900,000 of that budget goes towards replacing school buses. Each year, we replace about 8 buses in our fleet. The rest of the money is used to maintain 1.3 million square feet of space in 15 buildings, which average about 55 years in age, plus 343 acres and 1.7 million square feet of pavement. This year, we are also fortunate to receive additional federal grant funding to use for projects that help us respond to COVID-19 pandemic. Here's a look at the many things that we've been working on this summer to get ready for the upcoming school year. One of the main projects that we've been focusing on is due to the COVID-19 pandemic. We've taken a lot of time to work on and focus on air quality improvements across the district. Air quality improvements have included upgrades to our filters, HVAC equipment, and taking the time to clean and disinfect all of our classroom HVAC units and air handling systems. We're also replacing 9 rooftop HVAC units at Tower Heights, as well as 6 other units at Magsic, Normandy, Stingley, and the Transportation Center. Replacing units like this is an ongoing project to help make our buildings more energy efficient. 2 boilers at John Hull, which were over 30 years old, are also being replaced. We are in the process of replacing the track at Centerville High School, which is used by student athletes, PE classes, and community members, along with installing a new lighting system at Alumni Stadium. Contractors recently began installing security film in select locations at each of our school buildings. As part of the district safety plan, the film is another layer to help deter intruders from entering our facilities. Exterior door and classroom carpet replacement, gym floor refinishing, restroom renovations, concrete and paving repair, and painting are a few of the other maintenance tasks that are taking place at different locations throughout the district when school is not in session. Finally, we just completed a building assessment and master facility plan, which will be presented to the Board of Education at a future work session. This assessment evaluated 20 building systems such as mechanical HVAC, electrical security, fire, roofing, and more, and provided a summary of each system's age, general condition, and life expectancy, as well as a budget estimate for repair and replacement. It will help us to develop a long-term facilities plan for the district and to serve as a guide to develop a 5 to 10 year permanent improvement budget plan. As we get ready to open up the new school year, we're going to continue to work hard to provide a safe and effective learning environment for our staff and students. We appreciate the support of our community as we work hard to maintain a fiscal responsibility to upkeep our facilities and our grounds here at Centerville City Schools.